Hey guys, hello and a very warm welcome back to my channel Avanonjo. So in this video we'll be unboxing the new device that I've got. As you guys can see in the title box, I have ordered portonics Ruffpad, and here is how it looks. So guys, this version is Ruffpad 12E, and this is not in any way a sponsored video. It's just my personal experience, and I thought that it would be a good place to share my experience so that you guys can get to know if you should buy it or not. So I thought to add this video because many a times, like if you're preparing for any government exams especially, so you have to practice a lot, and there is like lots and lots of rough space you need, and for that you buy notebooks, and that is like it becomes like just a place for rough work. So this is a good alternative if you want to have, and it is not that costly also. So this is how it looks. So guys, this is the screen size, and this was 10 inches screen, and you can find even a better wider space sized screen options also available, but the cost depends upon the screen size. If it is a larger screen size, so the cost would increase accordingly. So it comes with a kind of a stylus pen, and I would like to zoom in a bit so that you guys can see properly. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. There is only one color, and this color is kind of a fluorescent green, and it comes with a stylus pen, and you can write upon it. Subscribe to this channel. Okay, so this is how you guys can write. It is like you need the stylus to write, and it actually takes up the pressure, pointed pressure, and the thing that with which you are writing needs to be pointed, and it should touch the screen, and the screen would sense the pressure. Now as you guys can see, there is a button on the back side of the device, and this is a lock device. This is a lock. Okay, it would lock the screen in a way that if you write upon it anything and you want to erase it, the button is there, like the bin button. If you click on it, it is not going to work. So this is a protection lock, so that you accidentally press it and the things don't get deleted. And if you off this, then you would be able to click on it, and the things on the device would be getting erased. One thing I feel is that sometimes you might find that the brightness is a bit low, but still it is workable, and I think it's a good option for rough work.